In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your title in Bloxfruit 2nd C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In Bloxfruits, there are currently 177 obtainable titles. You will be able to switch between titles by going over to the 2nd C and the 3rd C. They can be equipped and they appear next to the player's name when you speak in chat. Some of them will have different colors because they are harder to obtain. Now, for you to change titles in the 2nd C, you will have to talk to the title specialist. The player can equip and switch these titles in the room underneath the cafe. So in the 2nd C, go over to the cafe and you will see this entrance. If you go down this little hole that I've highlighted here, you will be able to find the title specialist. Keep in mind that this can also be done in the 3rd C. If you are in the 3rd C, you will have to go over to the mansion instead, and you will also find the title specialist in there. However, in the cafe at the 2nd C, you will be able to see a chest on the left side of the shelves. Claim the chest and there will be a hole underneath. So when you go down this hole that I showed previously, you will be able to find the title specialist. Immediately upon talking to them, you will see this menu where you can see all of the titles that you have available, titles that you have yet to unlock, and you will see the option to equip them. So all that you have to do is talk to this NPC and you will be able to switch between all of the titles that you have available. They are all going to appear right next to your chat tag whenever you talk, so just find the title specialist in the hole in the room underneath the cafe. And like I said, if you ever go over to the 3rd C, you just have to go over to the mansion. So from the entrance of the mansion, turn right, you will see the trading tables, walk further in, and he will be on the right. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your title in Bloxfruit 2nd C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.